I've spent £2,000 on this 5-bedroom house, rent to SA, in the middle of Leeds, which will generate £2,000 per calendar month. This is my 4th deal, my first rent to SA after 3 rent to HMOs that I had. Nice 5-bedroom house, over 3 stores, can sleep up to 13 people, and just so excited about it. The landlord for this property has approached me like 4 months ago. He found my pictures from one of my previous projects and he decided to contact me and to start work on this one. So he gave me a phone call, asked me to come and see the property. We came here. I told him, look, it's a beautiful house, but it really needs a lot of work to be done. And this is actually what he did during the last 4 months. So he contacted me back again last week saying that, Alaa, I finished all the job. Do you want to come and have a look? And I came and I liked the place. He did a really fantastic job with it. And we decided to go forward with it. And here I am now in the place here. Looks really beautiful, looks really nice. I just want to live here by myself. The property was completely in a different situation. It needed a lot of work, lots of renovation to be done. There was only 1 bathroom in the property, so on the 2nd floor I asked the landlord to add another bathroom just to add value to the property as well, because you're expecting lots of people to live here. You don't want them to be with 1 bathroom, which he did, and he did actually a fantastic job with that. And also with the bedrooms itself, we added some kind of sofa beds, twin beds, to increase the capacity of the number of guests that we can have in the property. So instead of having 5 people, it can sleep now up to 13 people. So it's one of the few properties in Leeds that can sleep a big amount of guests in one house. I had the agreement with the landlord at the beginning that he will just do the renovation work and all the structure fixing on the property, but I'm going to come and take the property as it is, provide the furniture and all the soft furnishing. But I was actually surprised that he actually also provided the furniture and the beds and the TV, which is quite cool for myself because it's, to me, almost a no money down deal, because all I did is just to buy the soft furnishing and add this around the house, so which cost me around almost just £2,000 just for all these things, which is quite a good deal for me. So we are expecting to achieve around £200 per night, which then leaves us with £6,000 per month. And after paying all the expenses, it's going to be around, let's say, £1,500, and then that will leave us with a net cash flow of £4,500. That is going to be 50-50 between me and the landlord. So what I can come out from this property is around over £2,000 per month.